Hello and good morning. I'm meteorologist Sean McAdee. Today we are going to be tracking a cold day. Also some sunshine this afternoon. But for the time being, temperatures in the teens rising nicely to the mid-20s this afternoon. It's not much. It is not getting a whole lot warmer. Feels like temperatures are a good 10 degrees below that today. It's a cold day. Sorry about it. Also, I should say that between like 10 a.m. and noon, probably some brief clouds, and then things are getting sunny again towards this afternoon. The reason temperatures are colder than what the forecast called for yesterday for today is because it's looking sunnier. During the winter months, well, the clouds are what holds in the heat. So when it's sunny, well, that means there is nothing to hold the heat in like a blanket, so it gets colder. That's why today is colder. A little bit less clouds in the forecast. Again, high temperatures, mid-20s. It'll feel below that. It'll be a chilly day for sure. It is below average for this time of year. Here's our computer model. You can see there are probably some brief clouds here and there, and especially in southern Minnesota where we are tracking some brief snow at times today in the Twin Cities area. So some of the clouds from that making it overcast in southern Minnesota. Briefly again, kind of around when I mentioned. And then it's clear. Clear skies overnight. We dip into the teens tomorrow. Winds out of the south. We're going to start Thursday off with totally clear skies. You're going to pull out your phone. And it's going to say snow on Thursday. It's not lying to you. It's just not telling you the full story because most of Thursday's fine. It's Thursday evening. Here's 8 p.m., 8:30 actually. There's the snow moving into Mason City. Okay, that's decent. There's the snow moving into Rochester just after midnight. Through Friday around lunchtime, the snow continues. This will be messy. Here's the timeline for Thursday. Like I said, most of it, not a problem. We hold in the teens. But the moment the sun rises with those winds out of the south, we quickly work to 30 degrees or the mid-30s, and then we pretty much stay there overnight. Here's another wrinkle in the forecast. What we're pretty much certain of is that snow will start sometime Thursday evening, and it will be problematic for Friday. But if temperatures are like 2 degrees warmer, that snow turns to freezing rain. That freezing rain is just as bad, if not worse, than the snow. But how much snow are we probably getting? It will change depending on how much freezing rain we see, which we probably see at least a little bit. I'm going 3 to 5 inches by around noon Friday for most of the area. If there's a little bit more freezing rain, then you get a little bit less. If there's a little bit less, then you get more. And of course, you always have errors bars, but this is where most of us are probably going to land. Pretty much the uncertainties have reduced to almost nothing. It does look like we'll both get snow in both of our computer models. One of them still a little bit warmer with a little bit more ice, but I can tell you right now that it does look like it's going to snow a decent amount. Enough to cause problems for the Friday morning commute. We get some more light snow on Saturday during the day. Sunday's a bit cloudy. Monday, Tuesday, another system will take hold across the country, potentially with rain and snow.